Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. It's been 24 hours. Let's see how well the paint's set. Seems to be solid. That's good. Okay, now that I've got the paint nicely dried, peel off the tape. That looks pretty good. Yep. There's the blade clamp. Finish knocking the dust off the backside of it. This needs another touch of paint. Got some spots that I didn't quite get. I have to hit this from this side because I didn't get quite enough paint on that area right there, and this side didn't get it either. I guess I'm going to touch it here and then I'm going to flip it over and touch it there. Now it's got to sit for a while. While it's doing that, you can move over to this other part of the bench. And now cleaned up, looks pretty nice. I do the same thing on this one. slices come in real handy. No pun intended. They're great for working with little stuff like this that otherwise get terrible. If I was trying to hold that in my hands, it'd get torn right out of my fingers. That way I can get in there and do a nice job of cleaning the rust off. Quick and easy. That's the screw for the depth stop. A little bit of tape didn't want to come off. Now this little Now I've got these parts all nicely cleaned up. I'm going to put a coat of wax on them. The blade too, it's still got to go across the water stones, but it's going to be sitting out for a while I'm getting around to doing that. And wax keeps it from flash rusting. I'm pretty liberal with the wax too. I want to have it get down into all the nooks and crannies and coat everything. Because this is my rust prevention. When I had the old shop that was heated with a wood stove, in the spring, everything rusted. I mean, everything rusted. All my tools, the screws in the walls, the door hardware, anything that wasn't painted or coated, rusted. See, it was an old hog barn, and hogs are not fussy about where they go. So wherever they go, they dropped ammonia all over the floor, up on the walls, you name it. They're hogs. They had no other choice. We kept them in a little pen so they couldn't go anywhere else. Well, the owners kept them in a little pen. I didn't. I never had hogs. But that much ammonia just totally wrecks everything around it. Right now I'm just putting wax on everything and making sure it looks dull. Because that means when it dries and I polish it, the wax will shine up and it'll look shiny. So now that can sit and dry out while the paint's drying and the wax is drying on the other parts. I can work on tomorrow's video. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.